Slow-moving consumer goods, or SMCGs, are consumer products with a low turnover rate, sold less frequently than fast-moving consumer goods, or FMCGs. These items often have a longer shelf life, higher price points, and are considered discretionary purchases. SMCGs are not consumed or replaced regularly, resulting in slower inventory movement and longer sales cycles. They are characterized by low sales velocity, higher margins, longer shelf life, and extended consumer decision times. Examples of SMCGs include durable goods like furniture, such as sofas and dining tables, and home appliances like refrigerators and washing machines. High-end electronics, including smartphones and televisions, also fall into this category. Additionally, luxury and specialty items like jewelry, designer clothing, and bespoke goods are considered SMCGs. Specialized products, such as gardening equipment and fitness machines, are also part of this group, catering to niche markets. Managing SMCGs presents unique challenges. Inventory management is crucial, as slower turnover can lead to overstocking, tying up capital, or understocking, resulting in missed sales opportunities. Demand forecasting is complex due to longer purchase cycles and market fluctuations. Economic downturns or shifts in consumer preferences can significantly impact sales. Furthermore, SMCGs often require more storage space over longer periods, leading to higher warehousing costs. Effective strategies for managing SMCGs include employing demand forecasting and inventory optimization tools to maintain appropriate stock levels. Customer education is vital for high-value or specialized SMCGs, providing detailed product information and support to shorten decision-making processes. Discounts and promotions such as periodic sales or bundle offers can encourage purchases. Diversification by pairing SMCGs with FMCGs can balance cash flow, while digital marketing boosts visibility. Despite their slower pace, SMCGs play a vital role in many industries due to their higher profit margins and potential for brand loyalty. For manufacturers and retailers, SMCGs often represent significant revenue streams, particularly in sectors like home improvement, luxury goods, and technology. Strategic management of SMCGs can help businesses achieve profitability even with lower sales velocity, making them a critical component of a balanced product portfolio.